Okay. This is kind of a strange class tonight. Supposed to be four of us. There's just me. I don't know if I'm having some technical difficulties or if everyone else is. I've got a feeling I'll find that out as soon as I go to post this later on. So anyway, here goes. Um, I'll just run through these questions and hopefully somebody will come in here in a minute and tell me I'm doing it all wrong. I'm very much in favor of that. But I've been sending emails out. I'm not getting any replies, so there's a good chance everybody else is having a hard time tonight, or I am. So anyway, I guess we'll just go take a look at it. Okay, this is the quiz. Of course, the first two questions. I click. Yeah, because I'm participating, but it's just me. I got a feeling I just didn't get the notice about the link tonight, so uh, I'll see what I can do.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
I have a question.
I got a lot of them.
When is the meeting?
I didn't see a notice on one, so I just kind of thought I'd start one.
Because I was thinking it's in 1 hour, no?
Yeah, we're about half an hour late getting started. So I guess it's you and me tonight.
Because let me check. We
Yeah,
are
see if you
using
got some mail
the
I didn't get.
we are using the mountain time.
Yeah, usually Kelly sends one out, but I didn't see one from him, and of course I emailed you and Jake and Kelly, but didn't hear the first one is
Because
respond.
now the mountain time is 7:19.
Yeah, yeah, we're definitely late.
Or the meeting will be at 8. I'm not sure.
Well, I guess we can just run through the questions and give it a shot. Oops, I just there we go. I want to make sure I didn't blow that away. Um, I am recording, so it does show that we at least showed up.
Okay.
Okay, back to the quiz. Have you got your quiz open?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, so let's start with question three, I guess.
Okay.
In a pie chart, why are the slices, sectors different sizes?
Okay, I think it's the tier one, no? Represents a category and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied.
Yep, that's what I would go with.
Okay. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related?
Uh,
It's the last one, no?
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Number 5. True proportion of the same sample proportion. Hmm.
It's the true proportion.
True proportion.
That's what I think.
P do or sample proportion.
Because
Okay.
p hat would be the sample proportion, although it's the same.
Oh, yes, you're right.
Okay, 6, sample size.
What is the sample size, right?
Yeah, it's a sample size there.
Number
And
7. If P 1/4, what is the smallest n that satisfies the requirement?
that's a good question.
Mm,
Okay, give me just a second here.
yeah, check my formula.
N times P has to be greater than 10. So if we take 10, or 0 greater
I
than,
think it's 4.
I've got 40. What if
40.
yeah, let me check the rest of the formula. I may be wrong on that. Let's see. 1 minus 5. So if we have 40, uh,
Uh-huh.
40 times .25 is 10.
Okay.
That's a guess.
But, okay.
Because if it anything smaller than that, it's
It's,
not going to
I
work.
was thinking in 1, but this time, yes.
Well, if you take if n was 1 times .25, then that would be .25, and that's less than 10. So I just took 10 and divided it by .25, and that gave me 40.
Yes, it's true.
I guess we'll find out when we run it. Where's Jake and
But
Where's Jake and Kelly when we need them? Huh?
maybe they are going to connect late because
Kelly.
they're thinking another time or something like that.
Okay, so we got .4.
Okay, number 8. Suppose m equals 24 and p equals 0.04. What's the mean of p?
Yeah. So what is the mean of p hat? And it's .4. I think. This is where we may find out I don't know anything. Which is the standard deviation? Okay. That's at p times 1 minus p over n. minus dot 4 equals dot 2, 4 divided by 2, 4 equals, take the square root, so that'd be dot 1.
Let me check. I'm doing.
What'd you get?
Let me check. Give me a minute.
Okay, fine.
What do you have? 0.1?
0.1, yes.
Are the same.
Okay, good. That either means we're both right or both wrong. One or the other.
Okay. So the next one.
So Brittany's batting average is dot 300. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at bats. N equals 100, P equals 0.3. What is P hat? That'd be 0.3.
Entry.
What is the standard deviation? By
I get 0.045.
I think it'd be .046. So we got to round up.
Oh, yeah, sorry. It's rounded there.
Good. I had the same deal. What is the Z score? All right.
Z score. Oh, Kelly. Kelly made a link for the meeting.
Oh, the Z score. What the heck is that? So this is where I'm in trouble. Okay, that'll be .35 minus .3.
Z score.
I'm gonna go look up that formula real quick. I think I know what it is, but just make me feel better. Okay, there it is. Okay. So I got .109. for the Z.
We are using the value.
Well, let me tell you what I did, and then you can tell me I'm crazy. Oops.
Okay.
There it is. Okay, so we have our P is .3, and the question is,
Mhm.
will Brittany be able to get 35 hits in her next
Okay.
100? So that would be .35. So that would be our P hat. Whoops. Oh. Okay. So if we take .35 minus .3, that equals 0.05. And then we divide that by our deviation of .046. Oh boy.
So 6. What?
So that'd be 1.087. We'll do that again. Yeah, so that'd be 1.087. At least that's what I've got.
Okay. Okay. If I use your formula, it's okay.
Do you agree with that? 1.087.
Yeah. But with the formula. Ah, yes, I have the formula. Yes.
Okay. All right. Whoops. Go over here and bring up that.
Okay, that's the probability. Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next attacks.
Whoops. So if you plug that into the normal probability applet,
Mm-hmm.
and we just shade the far right,
Okay.
then that gives us .1385. So that'd be .1389. I mean, excuse me, 1.39. How do I find this thing? There it is. 13. Okay, I guess. Whoops.
So you have
So I had dot 139.139. I ran that
only
on
the right,
the. Did you get something else?
using the right side, right?
Yeah, just the right side.
Dot 139. Okay.
So that's one of those. If we get one part of it wrong, we've got the whole thing wrong.
We have other opportunity.
Okay. 16. P equals dot 52. If the true proportion of people who support a political candidate is P equals dot 52 and N equals 2,000 people are surveyed, we want to determine the probability that the results of the survey will suggest the candidate is losing the election, getting less than 50% of the vote. What is the standard deviation of P prime?
Okay.
Okay, so that would be 1 minus 2 times dot 5 divided by 2. So that would be dot 011.
One. Yeah.
Okay.
What's the C score? Will you use?
Dot 011. What is the Z score? Well, this is where it gets a little confusing. So it's got to be 0.5 minus dot 52 divided by dot 011 equals that would be a negative 1.818.
They have the same.
One, eight. And so I think we got to plug that in the app. What is the probability? Okay. Dot 8. I got dot 0345, which I guess
For
would
the
be
C score?
oh no, sorry. For the Z score, I got negative 1.818, and when I plugged it in the probability app, then it gave dot 0345.
I think that the C score is positive now.
Yeah, I had negative. Did you have negative?
No, I have positive because I use 0.52 minus 0.5.
Okay, let me go look at something here real fast. Okay, I used the 0.5 minus 0.52 because looking at the formula, it's got to be the value. In other words, what we're looking for. And so I'd take the 0.5 minus 0.52
Oh yeah,
and then
yes,
divide it.
you're right.
Well, we're
Yes,
gonna
you're right.
find out real quickly if I'm right.
So the
Okay.
okay, and now using the normal probability applet,
Right.
0.0
Yeah, 0.0345.
345. Okay, decimals, no?
Yeah.
We are right or no?
Okay, I'll go back and look at these real quick before I submit it.
We missed two.
Okay, just a second. Which ones did we miss?
The 10.
Okay, I know it's 10 and what?
I missed two. I don't know if I incorrect. Number 10 and number 12.
Number 10 and 12. Okay. What do we have for 12?
The 10 is, what is the P? Oh, yeah.
Okay, 10 with
What
that.
do you have?
Okay, for that 10 with
What do
that
you
would
have in the
be,
number 10?
oh, 10 would be 0.35, I think, because that's what we're going to use in the formula instead of 0.3.
I think the number 10 it's 0.5.
0.35.
Yeah, because it's
So
the, what's
I'm
the name?
gonna submit it here in just a second. So let me see what I get on it. Just making sure I got it. 8. 7. Okay, I think I'm about ready here. Okay, here we go. Okay, I got 100. So let's go through these.
Yeah.
Okay. So number 3, already got that. We got that one
It's
right.
the tier one.
Okay, so
Yeah.
well, I guess we just go.
Number five. Oh,
Let's
what?
let's just go through them all real fast.
Okay.
So 3 was each slice represents a category, and the area of the slice represents proportion. 4 is the last one,
Yeah. Number five is true proportion.
right? 6 is sample size,
Yeah. Seven is 40.
right? 8 is dot 4.
Mm-hmm.
9 is dot 1.
The 10. What is the 10? What do you have?
10 is dot 35.
Dot 35.
Yeah, see, that's where I led us astray. I should have picked that
Yeah,
up
I
when I
think
saw that 35
fine.
hits. But anyway, it's dot 35.
Okay.
11 is
Very
dot
good.
046.
Yeah, I have it. 12. What is the number 12?
1.087.
Oh, yeah, I missed the one.
Okay. The
Okay.
13,
15 is dot 139.
yeah, 0.139.
Mm-hmm.
14 is
14.
0.011.
Uh-huh. 15 is minus 1.181.
818.
818. Yeah, sorry.
And the last one is dot 035.
Yeah, yes.
All right. That means we should have it.
Yeah. But I think Kelly and forget the name. The other two guys are going to have the meeting in 10 minutes.
Oh, are they?
Yes, because I think the mountain time change.
Ah, you're right. You're right. I didn't even
I
think
just
about
checking
that.
that a moment. Some moment.
Well, we can go in there real fast and say, look, guys, we got the answers. We've run it through.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and stop this broadcast, and we'll go ahead and I'll save it if we need it. If not, we'll just go in with the other guys. They're going to
Okay.
think we're really smart. All
I'll
right.
see you in some
Well, I'll
minutes.
see you in a few minutes on the other side.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. You. Thanks to you.
Okay. Bye.